Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing about string handling functions. Okay, so there are multiple handling functions are there. We can directly operate on the string and we can do the changes to that string. Okay, that's why the functions we call it as string handling functions, which helps to manipulate, we do some changes to the string. Okay, let me start with the first model. Okay, so the first one is strlen. The function name is strlen. So what it does, okay, it returns the number of count of number of the characters in a string. I mean to say, like for example, we have a input string India. So totally how many characters are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 characters are the length of the string is 5. strlen in the sense string length, which returns the length of the string, which returns the number of characters in a string. Okay, I will show you with example. So let me take this program. So when character array is there, just I'm writing a printf message, enter string, and scanf for reading the string. And do remember, for reading the string ampersand is not needed, and format specifier is percentages. Now what I'm doing is I'm writing printf comma strlen of a. Okay, string strlen of a, which returns the length of the string. As it is the number it is returning, that's why here we have to write percentage %t. Okay, now let me execute, entering the string. So let me enter India. So what is the length of the string? 5. Why? Because there are totally 5 characters are there in India. Okay, hope you understood what strlen is. Okay, let me shift. Let us discuss about the second string handling function. The second string handling function is strrev, which means string reverse. What it does, it reverses the string. For example, we are giving a input string as car. The output will be reverse of that, rac. So it is going to return the exactly reverse order of a given string. Okay, let us see with the example. And here instead of len, right now I am writing rev, and this is the returned string is returned output is also again a string. That's why I have to write percentage yes. Now let me execute, asking to enter the string. Let me enter the string bag, and what is the output we got? It exactly reverse order of that. Okay, so that is the use of strrev. That is the second string handling function. Okay, now let us talk about the third one, strupr. Okay, what it does is, for example, we are giving the input string small letters. The output we are going to get in capital letters, means strupr string upper. Okay, it returns the string in uppercase letters. Okay, so let us see what is the output we are going to. strupr is the function. Now let me execute this code. I am giving the input India, all are in small letters. Now look at what is the output we are getting here, capital letters. Means the use of strupr is going to convert the lowercase letters into the uppercase letters. Okay, hope you understood. Now let us go for the next one. Next one is strlwr. So what it does is, so it is just quite reverse to strupr. strupr, what it does, it converts the lowercase letters to uppercase letter, whereas strlwr converts the lowercase capital letters into the lowercase letters. Okay, uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. Let me show you the example. Let me write down here lwr. After that, let me execute. Now I am giving input in capital letters. Now check out what is the output I am going to get in small letters. So what is happening here? The strlwr function is converting the capital letters into the capital letters of a string to the lowercase letters, small letters. Okay. Now let us go ahead from here. Now the next function is strcmp. Means this function is used for comparing two strings. Okay, So when the two strings are compared, we will get, if we get the result as 0, it means that both the strings are same. For example, first string is India, second string is also India. Both are same, no? That's why we get the return answer from there is 0 str. So we will get the return answer 1 if first string is greater than second string, and if we get the return -1 if the first string is less than second string. How we are going to get that? Let me show you. So first of all, I need two strings for comparison at least. Okay, enter, let me write down here, enter first string. In the similar way, I am writing one more code. Instead of first string, let me write down enter second string. Here let me write down b. Okay, now I am trying to compare two strings. And let me take out one variable, in anything you can take, z equals to strcmp. Why I am taking a integer variable only here, z is? Why? Because comparison, strcmp is the function which compares and returns only the integers. 0 it will return when both the strings are same. It will return 1 if first string is greater than second string, -1 if first string is less than second string. Okay, now strcmp of a comma b I have written. Now in printf, I am trying to print what? The z, comma z. Now let me execute. I have to enter two strings here. First string, I am giving India. Second string, I am giving India. Both the strings are same. That's why what is the answer we should get? 0. I will explain in one more case. First string, India. Second string, capital India. What is the answer we are going to get? What is the answer we are going to get? 1. Why? Because here I, first different character is going to take. First capital I value is something above 100, 105. Small I value is what? 73, around, right? 73 or 74. So greater value minus smaller value. So that's why we are going to get the positive value. I will give the input in reverse order. Capital I, starting with capital I, India, I will give as first string. Small I starting with India, I will give as second string. Let me execute one more time. First string I am giving starting with capital I, India. Second string I am giving starting with small I. Now look at what is the output we are going to get? -1. Okay. In this particular dev C++ compiler, the compiler will give +1 or -1. If the other compilers will give the first difference of capital I minus small I, ASCII value. As per ASCII value, what is the difference is there? That value it will return. Okay. So now strcmp, hope you understood. When both the strings are same, you will get 0. When first string is greater than second string, it will get 1. If first string is less than second string, you will get -1. Okay. So from here, let me go ahead to the next slide. So strcmp is done. Let me talk about strcat, string concatenation, means joining of two strings. What it does is, second string will be joined to the first string. Like I will show you example. Here two strings are there, right? We are going to read first string in A, second string in B. What I am writing is strcat of A comma B. Okay, after that I am printing only A. Just observe here, I am going to print only A, not B. So I am trying to join B to the A. Okay, what I am trying to tell is, first string, for example, India. Second string, Australia. Okay, now this Australia is also going to join to India. Means the first string will be updated as India Australia. And see here, after joining B to the A, I'm just trying to show you only A. Why? Because I wanted to show that A got updated with addition of Australia name also. Look here, India, Australia. B is joined to A. For example, you are writing B comma A. Now this A will be joined to B. Okay, let me print B this time. First string, India. Second string, uh, Australia. Now what I have given a B comma A I have given. Means A is joined to B. A, what is A? First string India. India is joined to Australia. So here in this case B is getting updated. That's why I'm going to print B. Now look at what is the output I got? Australia, India. India is joined to Australia. So right side thing will be joined to left side. Simple to remove. The joining of two strings. This is about strcat. Now let us move to the one more function, strcpy, which is nothing but string copy. Copies the second string to the first string. I mean to say, in the earlier case, in cat, joining of two strings, here replacing. First string gets replaced with the second string. I'll show you what is that. For example, you are writing A comma B. Instead of string strcat, you are writing cpy. Now see here, I'm going to print A only in first string. First string I'm entering. First string name is phone. Okay. What is the second string name? Let me take out the second string name is bottle. Okay. First in the first array, character array A, first string what you have stored? Phone. In the second array B, what you have stored? Bottle. So up to here, up to ninth step is done. What is the 10th step you have written? strcpy. What it does? B is getting replaced with let me repeat. A is getting replaced with B. Means in A already phone is there, that get replaced with bottle. Now check out, I am printing only A, but still I am going to get output as bottle. Why I am getting output as bottle? Here input given to A is phone, right? But still after printing, why you are getting A bottle? Why? Because phone gets replaced with the name bottle. This right side is going to erase the already available string and going to replace with that its name. For example, I can do like this also. A for example, college. Okay. So look here. Here assume that B is also not there, just A is there, right? So let me remove this. For this, what could be the output? Look at. So I is asking for enter first string. Let me enter the first string name is school. In A, what I am storing? School. But what I'm just look at A only I'm printing. I have given input as school, and after that I'm trying to print A only. But I am going to get college. Why I'm going to get before that? I have applied strcpy with the name. College name is going to be overwritten. Okay, already available name will be removed and replaced with the right side name whatever you are writing. That is about string copy. So I hope you are clear about each and every string handling function we are discussing here. You observe here in this video we have discussed about string manipulation functions, where first we have discussed about strlen, which returns the length of the string. Okay. After that strrev, which reverses the string. After that strupr, which returns the string in capital letters. After that strlwr, which returns the string in lowercase letters. And after that strcmp, which compares two string and returns 0 if both the strings are same. Returns 1 if the first string is greater than second string. Returns -1 if the first string is less than second string. And the next one is strcat, which is nothing but string concatenation, which joins the two string. Simple to say, second string is joined to first string. And the last one is strcpy, string copy, which replaces overriding the first string with second string. That is about all the string handling function. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.